might recall my last hammock review. It was a Harbor Freight single hammock, and I said this about it: biggest piece of crap I ever slept in. Well, today we're trying something different, and this is a TETON SPORTS small style hammock. Didn't come with straps. It's tightly packed into this. I've never slept in this before. We're going to string it up right here behind me, and then after a night in this, we'll let you know how it does. Oh, yeah. Make an adjustment. It's time to get some fresh water. There's a small creek here. Right there it looks kind of bad. Right there it looks kind of bad, but right here it's kind of flowing. And there's a lot of leaf stuff from the fall foliage that's falling in, and you know, we don't really know how clean this water is. So we built up a little dam here, not much, but it's just enough to give us a little bit of depth so we can get some fresh water. There we go. That's about a liter. That's all I need for now. How you like that?
I like that.
Oh, God, he lost a finger. Well, we don't need any meat for the pot. Well, dang, well, I ain't don't miss the pot.
Thank you. I didn't know what to wipe it on. I didn't know what to wipe it on.
Whatever it is buzzing me, I don't like it. I know you're hungry, so.
I'm starving.
Yep, maybe we'll get the tripod situated. Bring it this way. Go away, don't get burnt. Uh-oh. Might need to put that short one over a little bit, out a little bit more. All right. All right.
Yeah, let's go.
All right. There's the potatoes, onions, carrots, and pork. It's been simmered, and it has a couple tablespoons of ghee, some butter, clarified butter, and a good bit of Mikey sauce in there. So that's going to be our supper for tonight, and I'm looking forward to it.
Good.
Put the light on you for a minute. Oh, whee! Yeah. Now I can see you. Well, good morning. It was a great night. Awake a few times, that's normal for camping. This hammock is absolutely the best. Sleeping bag worked great. I'm really impressed with this hammock. I'll tell you more about it when it's a little bit brighter. Now it's coffee time right now. Build a fire. It's kind of chilly this morning. Alright, well, a little brighter here. So, got my coffee heated up.
Dang.
I hear Wayne over there frying something.
Frying eggs, man.
I got my pod coffee this morning. And by pod, I mean it's not one of them K-cup things. It's a little filter pod like you've seen before. Oh yeah. That's rich enough to hurt me. Perfect.
All right, another egg coming up. thing holding me tight too, buddy.
Did you read the instructions?
What? On this?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like instructions on the bottom, so I didn't see them.
I want to show you one of these. It's called a summer sausage, but it's the $1.25 store, and it's a pickled summer sausage, which I hadn't seen before. And surprisingly, they taste really good to me. You know, plus any refrigeration. And at $1.25, it was worth a try. Now, this morning I'm cooking with ghee or clarified butter. You've seen this in my other videos when I show how to make it in bushcraft butter. And it's really simple to make, and it keeps a long time without being refrigerated, and it makes your food taste really good. Give that a look if you can.
That worked out very well, very well, very well. My little fried egg.
All right. Hey.
Flip it, man, flip it. I got off of something. What did I put off of something?
Yeah, everybody has to clean up their dishes every now and then.
Got off of something.
So if you don't have one of these little drain spouts or wash spouts that goes on your CNOC bags, I recommend it. It's really nice to have. They're a couple bucks a piece, and they're hard to get because they usually sell out pretty fast, so stay with it. But it's well worth it. If you're using the CNOC system, these little valves that go on there are pretty nice. If you've ever had trouble with your sleeping bag not staying in the middle of your hammock, I use a tarp clip and a bungee cord. It's tied off. The bungee cord is attached to the clip, and the clip's attached to the sleeping bag at the top and at the bottom. And if I pull it one way, it goes back the other way. If I pull it this way, it goes back that way. So all I got to do is actually get up, and it'll recenter itself. It'll also hold itself in the middle, because this might be the hardest part, is getting in the bag and it not being all bunched up. If you're interested in what kind of tripod kit I use to put the 3 poles through, it's called I'm going to call it a Q-Vian or Quiven. I don't know which it is. But anyway, it comes with this nice little leather pouch. Has a chain hook that runs through the middle, a pot holder right here on this side, and a pin to lock it with on the other side. And you just put 3 poles right through these holes and they lock in, and then you can make a tripod for your cook pot. Slept in the TETON Firefly hammock. The fabric is very friendly. It feels really nice. There's almost no stretch to this whatsoever, so you can put it where you want it and it kind of stays there. Best sleep I've ever had in a hammock. This is a great hammock, and you should try one. I think this particular model, the Firefly, I think that's what I said. Yeah, I think that's been discontinued, but they did obviously come out with another model. It's super wide. It does come up around you a bit, but it doesn't pinch you in. And best night's sleep I ever had. Check it out, TETON Firefly. Set the trail cam last night at this place where I can see a lot of game activity in here. So we're going to retrieve this. We'll see what's on here. Hang around, we'll see what's going on with it. Here is what it looked like in the daylight. Notice how much louder the nighttime gets. The only thing we got on camera was a Sasquatch with a headlamp and shorts. I went to get more water. Something did trip the camera twice, once after me and once in the morning. I did find a friendly frog. If you're packing in, pack it out and leave no trace. We're going to cover up this fire site here. This is gone cold. We're going to cover this in, throw out all our stuff that looks stacked. We'll make it look like nature. We'll put it back the way we found it, as close as possible. And so here we go. Okay, I hope that gets a passing grade from Ranger Jerome. For Mike's Wild World, this is Mike and
Wayne.
thank you, sir.
Wayne missed an onion.
See, Mr. Mike? There he is. All right.
Hammock, that's what it is. Even this small amount of water, oh, that looks pretty putrid.
Big shell in it.
You're gonna fry that boiled egg?
Like and subscribe if you can. And please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. It's a wild world, so get out there. And thanks for watching.